Different progressions for gaze stabilization exercises. The first progression would be transitioning towards smaller targets. Begin by placing a paper-sized target on a simple background. Keep your eyes focused on the target and begin the VOR times 1 exercise by turning your head side to side. As that becomes easier, work towards keeping your eyes focused on an even smaller target while moving your head in different directions. Remember to start slowly at first and take breaks in between each set, as these exercises may bring on your symptoms, which is part of the retraining process. The next progression would be placing your target on a busy background with different colors. In this example, we will be placing the target over a painting. Our goal is to maintain focus on the target while moving your head in different directions. The busy background serves to further stimulate, challenge, and train the VOR. We can further increase the difficulty of our gaze stabilization by manipulating our base of support. We can start in a staggered ready stance and perform a few reps there. As that becomes easier, you can switch to your feet together and perform more sets and reps here. You can further increase the challenge by going into a tandem stance. And once that becomes easier, you can further challenge yourselves by performing single leg balance. Make sure to be near a stable object or the wall when changing your base of support in case you lose your balance. Another variation is changing the surfaces underneath your feet. In this example, we're using an RX pad standing on both feet, then progressing that to single leg. Perform some sets and reps here, moving your head in different directions. An alternative to the RX pad that you can use at home would be a pillow. And again, maintain your focus on the target as best as you can. And lastly, we can perform the gaze stabilization while walking at the same time. Ensure you have a clear walking path for this exercise. Start by moving your head side to side while maintaining focus on the target. Then slowly start walking forwards and then backwards while maintaining your focus on the target the entire time. You can also perform this with vertical head turns while moving your head up and down and still maintaining focus on the target while walking forwards and backwards.